Take a moment to check out the 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, the stylish all-terrain SUV that blends comfort, high performance, and rugged capability. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, power passenger seat, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, power liftgate. Take control of the journey in comfort and style. Get into the Grand Cherokee.